I want you to look at your mirror for a second, really look at it. Because that glass hanging on your wall, it's not just showing you your face, it's quietly showing you your bank account too, right down to the last cent. And if you spend just 2 minutes a day with it, using the exact method I'm about to walk you through, something starts to shift. Not overnight magic, not a lottery ticket, but a real, steady change in the kind of money that starts finding its way to you, the kind that pays for the trip you keep putting off, the kind that finally quiets the math you keep running in your head about the bills you're behind on. Before I tell you exactly what to do, I want to speak to you like a real person, because that's what this space is about. If you're watching from the USA, please press the hype button if it's showing on your screen. It helps this video reach more people here in the first few days after upload. And if you're watching from another country, write your country in the comments. I really love seeing where everyone is tuning in from. Also, please like this video and subscribe to Tranquility Insights for more peaceful, powerful, and positive content. And if you leave a comment, know that I do read them. I might not reply to every single one, but I truly see them, and I appreciate you being here. Okay, let's get into it. Every morning, most of us stand in front of a mirror and give ourselves a little report without even realizing it. I look tired. I'm behind again. Nothing ever works out for me. And here's the strange part. The mirror never argues back. It just agrees. Whatever you tell it, it reflects right back at you, over and over, morning after morning. Now imagine doing that for a year. 365 mornings of quietly telling yourself the same discouraging story. That's not just a bad habit, that's a rehearsal. And your mind, whether you like it or not, tends to believe what gets rehearsed the most. A lot of spiritual teachers describe this using ideas borrowed loosely from science. The idea that attention shapes experience, that what you consistently focus on tends to expand in your life. You don't need to understand quantum physics to feel the truth of it. Think about mirror neurons for a second, the brain cells that fire whether you're doing something or simply watching it happen. It's why watching someone yawn makes you yawn. It's why watching a stressful scene in a movie can raise your own heart rate. Your nervous system doesn't fully separate watching from doing. So when you stand at that mirror every day rehearsing worry, some part of you is training for worry. And when you rehearse calm, gratitude, and abundance instead, you're training for that too. That's really the heart of gratitude work, and it's the heart of everything we talk about here on Tranquility Insights. Not pretending your bills don't exist, not ignoring reality, just refusing to let the worst version of the story be the only one you rehearse. So here's the practice. I call it the Mirror Gratitude Reset. It takes less than 2 minutes, and you can do it in the morning, at night, or both. Step 1. Lock. Stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes, not your whole face, just your eyes. Breathe in for 4 counts and breathe out for 5, so your exhale is just a little longer than your inhale. Somewhere around the 10 to 15 second mark, something small happens. Your shoulders drop, your face softens, you stop performing for the mirror and just arrive in front of it. Step 2. Speak. Still looking into your own eyes, say, slowly, out loud if you can, I am safe. I am provided for. Money moves toward me easily. You can also say something as simple as, thank you for what I already have. It might feel awkward the first few times. That's completely normal. Say it anyway, slowly, like you actually mean it, not like you're rushing to get it over with. Step 3. See. Now soften your gaze, like you're looking through the glass instead of at it. Picture something specific, checking your account and feeling relief instead of dread. Handing someone a gift you've been wanting to give them, booking a trip without checking your balance 3 times first, paying off something that's been sitting on your shoulders. Let yourself actually feel that moment for a few seconds, like it's already close. That's it. Lock, speak, see. 2 minutes and you're done. The reason this works isn't magic, it's repetition. Most of us have spent years unintentionally rehearsing scarcity in front of that same mirror. This is simply choosing, on purpose, what you rehearse instead. Gratitude first, calm first, enough first. And when enough becomes the story you tell yourself daily, your choices, the way you spend, the opportunities you notice, the risks you're willing to take, start to shift right along with it. I want to be honest with you too. This isn't a replacement for a budget, a plan, or hard work. It's not going to write you a check by Friday. What it does is change the mood you carry into every financial decision you make. And that mood affects more than people realize: how you negotiate, what you notice, what you're brave enough to try. If this resonated with you, I'd love to know. Comment below and tell me one thing you're grateful for right now, today, no matter how small. It could be your morning coffee, a roof over your head, or just that you made it here to watch this. I read every single one, and I love seeing what this community is grateful for. And if this video gave you even a little bit of peace today, do me a favor, hit like, share it with someone who needs a little hope about money right now, and subscribe to Tranquility Insights so you don't miss the next one. This channel exists to help you build a calmer, more abundant relationship with your life, one small practice at a time. Try the Mirror Gratitude Reset tomorrow morning. Just 2 minutes. Lock, speak, see. I'll see you in the next video.